Hello. In this video, we shall learn how to change a fraction to a decimal form. Now, in the first case, we can see that 3125 can be broken up as 5 to the power 5. Now, because we have 5 to the power 5, what do is we multiply it up and down with 2 to the power 5. So now the numerator becomes 13 times 2 to the 4 for 6 to 32 over, and this becomes 5 times 2, 10 to the power 5. Now if we multiply 13 and 32, 13 to the 26, 39 and 41 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we shall write 416, and because there are 5 zeros, so 0, 0.0. So that is how we change a fraction into a decimal form whenever we are having the denominator factors as 5 or 2. Now, over here we just had a 5, so we multiplied with the corresponding number of 2's. That is how we do this when we have the denominator in terms of 5 or 2 or both. Now, in the second case, if you look, we have a 47, but the denominator can be written as only 7 times 5. Now, because there is a single 5 in the denominator, we shall multiply up and down with 2 first. So, we get 94 over 7 times 10. Now, then we will divide by 10. So, we get a 9.4 and we divide by 7. Now, when we divide by 7, it becomes very easy for us to divide. And so we get 9 ones are 9, 0.24, 7 threes are 21, 30, 7 fours are 28, 2 and 8 and 5. And then if it says round it off to 3 decimal places, it will become 1.343 and so on. So this is the best way to change a fraction to a decimal form when the denominator has a factor other than 5 or 2. Thank you for watching.